Seeing Integration Otherwise explores the diverse forms of arrival infrastructuring identified during our ethnographic research. We have grouped these into 4 chapters: resourcing, bridging, coming together, and claiming. For example, let's discuss one story from part 1. Easing access to schools in Dortmund, identifying barriers and overcoming assumptions. Often, barriers to accessing services like education are numerous and not immediate apparent. In this story in Dortmund, frontline caregivers, social workers and teachers have made significant efforts to understand what truly prevents newcomer children from attending school. And this by going beyond traditional responsibilities and supporting newcomer families. As such, they have managed to make a meaningful difference in their lives. So let's have a look at tool 4. It's called Identifying Unexpected Barriers to Everyday Life Tasks. The exercise will take you 10 minutes and you need paper and writing utensils. So this tool helps you identify hidden obstacles that may prevent individuals from carrying out everyday tasks. It is particularly valuable for understanding why people might struggle to engage with services or behave in unexpected ways. By listing the necessary preconditions for achieving specific goals, the tool highlights the particular barriers individuals face. It encourages a closer examination of everyday material challenges to support smoother and more inclusive daily lives for everyone. People often make assumptions when they see others not respecting what they consider to be basic rules. When trying to understand the reasons behind such behavior, they frequently use their own experiences as a reference point or rely on certain biases towards others. To overcome assumptions and biases, we think it is useful to list simply what the necessary preconditions are to comply with certain regulations or advice, instead of listing why they are not followed. This method will allow you to identify the barriers that some people face to comply with regulations. So what we do first is make a list of things one needs to achieve too. For instance, making sure that you arrive in time at school. Inspired by the social worker in the story of Dortmund, it is important to identify what might be missing for certain people to achieve this goal and think how you could alleviate this barrier. For instance, in this case, make a list of things one needs in order to get to school or work on time. For instance, go to bed early, finish work early, have dinner ready quickly, be relaxed enough to fall asleep easily. Another point, sleep well, have a comfortable bed, not have nightmares, have quiet neighbors and so on. But also wake up on time. That means having a working alarm clock or enough phone battery, which was really a problem in this neighborhood in Dortmund. There are also other points like having clean clothes, having breakfast of course, or being able to leave home. For instance, make sure that you can go 3 floors downstairs and that you have someone to stay at home with the baby when you have a baby at home.